If you've used Canva's Resize feature before, you know it's incredibly useful for turning one design into multiple formats. The only challenge is that each resized version becomes its own separate design file, which can lead to a lot of very similar designs in your projects if you're creating content for multiple platforms. A good folder system absolutely helps with this, but when Canva launched their all-in-one visual suite in April 2025, they opened the door to a different option. You can now keep multiple page sizes together inside the same design file. And there's a simple way to create a resized version of a page without altering your original layout and without generating a separate design copy. Here's how it works. Open the design you want to work with and then switch to grid view so you can see all of your pages at once. Hover over the page you want to resize, click the three dots, and choose Resize Page. Canva will automatically duplicate the page, resize that new version, and place it directly after the original. You keep your original page exactly as is, and your resized version stays neatly within the same design file. This is a Canva Pro feature, and it's a really helpful way to keep multi-format content organized without cluttering your projects with a ton of similar-looking files. Keeping multiple page sizes inside one design file means you reduce the number of separate designs you need to manage, you can see all related variations together for easier editing, and you spend less time hunting through folders or recent designs to figure out which version is which. It's a small workflow shift, but a meaningful one, especially if you regularly create graphics that need to be produced in several dimensions. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.